Hi, in today's example, we will understand how to push your code from your local machine to the GitHub. So for this, we will be using Git Bash as well as Visual Studio Code. So we'll see two methods. For this example, I'll be taking Git examples repository. I have 4 repositories currently, so I'll be taking Git examples. In order to get the GitHub repository into your local, you need to clone the repository, and to get the URL, I will go to code, click on SSH and the URL. So now open Git Bash. Git clone. Whenever I clone a repository, it creates a folder with the same repository name. So here Git examples is the folder name. So what I do, I go to Git examples, cd Git examples. There I can do ls and I can see the files matching with the GitHub. So these are the files in GitHub and these are the files in my local machine. So this term. I do small modification to the file, readme. So what I do, I'll add another line added using git bash. I'll create another file called, so to create empty files, we use a command called touch. Touch will create empty files. Touch, I'll say one.txt. Now if I do git status, there are two files. One file is just added and the another file is modified file. So the one which got modified will have a tag called modified, and the one which got newly added is not having the tag. So now I do, to push these changes to GitHub, we need to add these files using git add dot. Next we need to use, if I do git status again, you can see they are added here. Now to, if I am satisfied with these changes, I need to commit the changes. So commit -m, usually we give ticket number and a small description. This is a demo. Push code to GitHub. So these are the changes which I just committed. Now these changes are still in the local. They are not still merged here or pushed here. So I need to push it to GitHub. So for that we use a command called git push origin and the branch name, or whichever branch. This is a branch. We have 3 branches here. I'm pushing directly to the main branch. So git push main. So if I go and refresh this page, I can see the changes here. One.txt got added and readme also added using git bash. So I see the change. Now same thing we will be doing using Visual Studio Code. So let me open the Visual Studio Code. So in order to open that, whatever we cloned, we have to open it from here, open folder. So it's under home directory. So you can get the path from the terminal using pwd command. If I give pwd, I can get the full path. So this is a complete path. So same thing, I need to open it here. So c:, users, my user directory, and git examples is the folder name. So if I open this, it automatically detects this as a git repository. So what I do, under readme, I'll just add another line, added using VS Code. In short form, Visual Studio Code, we call it as VS Code. So I added this. Whenever there is a change, once you save it, automatically it detects a change here. There is a modified, if you see there is a M symbol here, that means there is a change in this file. This content got modified. So once this is done, I need to click on this. This is a Git symbol. So once you are here, you can write a commit message. Added using VS Code. Next, commit it. You can say yes. And this is like git push. Once you are done with the commit message, you have to select which branch. You have multiple branches here, so this by default has taken main branch. You can create branches, and I'll be showing those in the another video. For now, you can just click sync changes will go to main branch. So once this sync is done, I'll go and show you in the GitHub the changes done. So if I go here, if I refresh the page, you can see added using Visual Studio Code. Thank you.